Hello techies, welcome to the day 9 of my 100 days coding challenge, and today we're talking about the comparison operator, the logical operator and the ternary operator. For the past 2 days of this challenge, I've been talking about operators. I've talked about the basic arithmetic operators, and the last I talked about was the assignment operators. Now, the first one I'm going to say is the comparison operator. I'm going to write this comparison operator. The comparison operator is very important in JavaScript. It allows us to compare things, data types like numbers, strings, and even arrays and even objects. So there must always be a comparison in JavaScript. We have to know if this is equals to this or that. So yeah, the first thing I'm going to list out some comparison operators that we'll be looking at here. The first I'm going to look at is the equal to, double equal to. The double equal to operator is different from the assignment operator, also different from the triple equal to operator. We are going to see that as we go forward. The assignment operator, we know, is used to assign a value to a variable. The next is the exclamation mark equal to operator, used to compare if something is not equal to another thing, like if A is not equal to B. The next is the lesser than operator. We have the lesser than or equal to operator, the greater than operator, the greater than or equal to operator, then the triple equal to. So, like I said before, there's a difference between the double equal to and the triple equal to. Unlike the double equal to, the triple equal to is very strict and it does not accept type correction. The double equal to can turn a string to a number. So next I'm going to give an example of saying let my age equal to 20, and then I'll say let my bro age equal to 20. So here I'm simply assigning 20, which is the value, to my age and my bro age, and I'm going to compare if my age is lesser than my bro age or my bro age is lesser than my age. Then let something happen in the console, let it be written in the console. I'm going to use the if else statement to compare this. If you do not know what the if else statement is, don't worry, I'll be talking about that in my next challenge, that's the tomorrow of it. I'm going to say if my age is equal to my bro age, I'm going to console.log, we are same age. So if my age and my brother's age are the same, let this be written in the console. Or else, I'm going to say else we are not the same age. So if my age is 20, which is true, and my brother's age is 20, if they are both the same, which is true, they are both the same, let we are same age be written there. If not, let we are not the same age be written there. I'm going to check the console. I don't know why it's not written here. Okay, I'm going to refresh my console. I'm going to refresh this page. You see that we are the same age, and of course it is true, we are the same age. I am 20, he's 20, so we are the same age. I'm going to change this to is not equal to. So if it's not equal to 20, if my age is not equal to my brother's age, it means we are not the same age. See it, we are not the same age. If I change this to greater than, my age is not greater than my brother's age, that's false. So to give me when you are not the same age, it is not lesser than my brother's age, so we are not also the same age. And it is lesser than or equal to, is it equal to? Yes, so we are the same age. So if I also come here, I'll go back to the comparison to say greater than or equal to, then we are still the same age. So let me go change this figure. I'll change this from 20 to 10. So you see that we are not the same age. I'm 20, he's 10. If I change this to 30, now it's older, so we are not the same age. So this is how we compare in JavaScript. You can use comparison for a lot of scenarios, like you're having a product and that product is like $10, and the user, you're going to say if the user pays less than $10, then you can do something like an alert to pop up and tell the user the money is not enough, just like I've done with the if else statement. We are not the same age. You can tell the user the money you have imputed is not enough, and if the price is equal to the amount the user pays, you can say you have successfully paid for this. So that's how we do the comparison operator. That's how we use it. Now if I come here and also say that my age, if my age is greater than or equal to my brother's age, it should display we are the same age. See, of course my age is greater than my brother's age, so we say we are the same age. And if it's also equal to, if it's the same, it will also display we are the same age. So these operators just do the true and the false thing, which is the boolean. So it's either false or it's true. So you see that we are the same age because my age is not greater than but equal to. Now if I say if my age is greater than my bro age, you see it's not greater than, so that's false. So to display we are not the same age. Now I'm going to talk about the logical operator. I'm just going to comment this here. Logical operators. Logical operators is used to combine or manipulate Boolean values. Boolean values, like you already know, is true or false. So I'm going to talk about 3 logical operators: the and, or, and not. One thing about the logical operator is that it allows you to check multiple or conditions if they are true or false. Okay, it allows you to put in multiple conditions. For example, I say that my age, if my age is lesser than my brother's age, then I can also say or if my age is higher than my brother's age, or if my age is not equal to my brother's age, or if my age is lesser than or equal to my brother's age. So that's multiple conditions right there. That's what the logical operators can allow us to. First of all, it evaluates it. It converts it to Boolean value then before the evaluation. So it first converts to Boolean to check if it's true or false before it evaluates and gives us the results. Now the first operator we are going to see here is the AND operator. In the AND operator, the 2 comparison must be true. What I mean here is that the 2 values has to be true in the AND operator, using the AND operator. If all the values is true, then it will give you true. If you have 4 values and 1 is false, then it will give you false. It doesn't matter if the rest are true. Yeah, I'm saying that if my age is greater than my brother's age and my age equals to my brother's age, then console.log this. So now you see that my age is not greater than my brother's age, but my age is equals to my brother's age. You can see up there is 1010. So this will give you false, which is we are not the same age. It doesn't matter if 1 is true. Now I'm saying that if my age is greater than or equal to, my age is not greater than, so it will give me we are not the same age. Okay, so the 2 things I'm comparing has to give me true. If they are both not true, then it is false. If 1 is true and 1 is false, it is also false. If they both are true, then it will give me true. That's the AND operator for you. Now I'm saying here that my age is equals to my brother's age, and if my age is also greater than or equal to, yes, my age is equal to my brother's age and my age is equal to, you see that there doesn't matter the greater than there. Is it equal to? Yes, they are both equal to. So that's it there. It's giving me we are the same age, so they are both true because my age is the same with my brother's age and my age is greater than or equal to my brother's age. And this is another comparison I'm adding to it. So you see here that you can add as many conditions you want with the logical operator. So right now, the last condition I'm giving, I say if my age is lesser than my brother's age. My age is not lesser than my brother's age, so that one is false. The rest 2 are true, so it will give me false, which is we are not the same age. If I change this to the OR operator, it will give me true, we are the same age. You see that, because in the OR operator, just one condition has to be true. If one condition is true, then that condition has been met. So the rest doesn't matter if the rest is false, then it will give us true, and truly we are the same age. Okay, so in the OR condition, the OR operator, one condition has to be true. If one is true, it will execute the true boolean, evaluates it, and gives us the result. Then if I come here and say my age equal to, if my age is equal to my bro age, or my age is greater than or equal to my bro age, then you see the result will still be we are the same age, because one condition was met. In fact, the two condition was met in this scenario. If I come here and say my age, if my age is equal to my bro age, then or my age is not equal to, I'm going to use the equal to for my age, or my age is not equal to or greater than my bro age. You see, it's still giving me we are the same age, because one was made there. My age is equal to my bro age. You are seeing the 10 there as the values. Then if I come here and also say it's lesser than, it's one condition was still met here. If I come here and remove the equal to and put the two are lesser than, yes, lesser than or equal to, we are still the same age. Then if I come here and say if my age is equal to my, the same thing will still give us there. If I come here and change these values to 30, the two conditions were met and they are still true. But if I come here and say that my age is not greater than my bro age, it will give us we are not the same age. You see, we are not the same age, because my age is not is greater than, but here I'm writing is not greater than, and my age and my brother's age, the first condition is not true, is false. The second condition is false, because truly my age is greater than, is not lesser than. But here I said it's if it is not less, if it is not greater than, but my age is actually greater than, so it gave me we are not the same age. That's false. So the two are both false. So that's what the OR operator actually does. The next we are going to see, we are already seeing the is not, because I used it in the last one. I said if my age is not greater than, but my age is actually greater than, so you saw what it gave to us. And this is how you use the logical operator. The next operator we are going to look is the ternary operator. The ternary operator is represented by a question mark followed by a colon. For me, it's the easiest way of writing, of comparing things, because it replaces the if-else statement. So instead of writing the if then your condition, then trying to explain console.log, if this is this, if this is that, do this. The ternary operator is so easy that you don't have to write plenty of lines, plenty of codes, just simple code to give a comparison. Let me give you for example. Let's comment this out. I'm going to comment all this so our console doesn't look messy for proper understanding. So here, as you can see, I assigned the value of 30 to my age. So my variable is storing 30. So here I'll come here and say my age equal to 30. Like asking a question, is my age equal to 30? Then you put the question mark. So yeah, my age, this just with like, is my age equal to 30? That's a question. The first expression will be holding a true boolean. The second will be holding a false. So I just put it in a quotation. Yes, I will just write yes. So is my age 30? True, which is yes. Then a colon. The colon will signify the beginning of another expression, which is false. So the first expression, which is taking the true, has ended. the second expression is the false boolean. So I'll just create another variable that will be storing this value. I could choose to declare it anyways. So here console.log my answer, and you see that this will be yes, because truly my age is 30. So you see this is yes. See what I just did? I said let my age be 30, then it's my age 30. True. It's like saying if my age is 30, or if my age is greater than 30. True. If my age is greater than 30, there is no. If my age is greater or equal to 30, it is yes. Okay, if my age is lesser than 30, it is no. It's not greater than 30. That's false. So this is how we can. This is another way that we can compare in JavaScript. So you agree with me that this is easier than the if-else statement. This is easier, and with just less code, you're not writing much code, and you still get your answer. So what you have to do is set the condition. My age equal to 30. That's a condition. Then the first expression is holding the true boolean. The second expression is holding the false. Now this is different between the double equal to and the triple equal to. I put my first declared value in a string and I compare with a number type. With the double equal to, it's giving me yes. With the triple equal to, it's giving me no. You see, the triple equal to is very strict, does not accept type coercion. With the triple equal to, you cannot change from string to number, but with double equal to, you can change from string to number. You see, this is saying yes. So it's actually a very loose kind of operator. That's the double equal to. Now let me show you how case sensitive JavaScript is. We have discussed this before. My first John that I declared is in a string and is written in lowercase, while the second one I'm using to compare, I'm comparing with, is the first letter is written in uppercase. So you see, this is how case sensitive this is. It's showing me no. If I come back and change this to lowercase, it will show me yes, because yes, my age is equal to John and the spelling is the same. Now if I translate this with the if-else statement, you see that it is plenty of codes. With the ternary, we only wrote the ternary operator, we only wrote 2 lines. But with if-else, it will be more than 2 lines. And all you have to know in the ternary operator is when to use the question mark and the colon, and know that you only have to do the condition and 2 expressions. That's just it. But with the if-else, it's plenty of codes. You see this. In our next class, we'll be talking about the if-else statement. That's the control flow in JavaScript. So just write this and compare. That's how you learn it. So see you all in the day 10 of this challenge. Bye.